To set up alarm clock on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first of all open the app drawer and open the clock application, so it will be available somewhere here. Let's go for this application, and from there, here you have to go for the alarm and press this plus icon to add another alarm. And from here you'll have to set up your alarm, let's say for 6 AM. Alright, and here we can set up the ringtone for our alarm. There are like 5 of different ringtones, and here you can find all of different type of ringtones for your phone. For the alarm, let's choose from the pre-installed ringtones right here, and here you can find all of the different ringtones. So let's select some like this, press OK, and yeah, let's go back, and here you can toggle the repeat. You can toggle this to repeat daily, repeat only on Monday, from Monday to Friday, and here you can set up custom repeat for this alarm. Okay, go back from here, and here there is also this option to toggle vibrations for the alarm, and I will actually want to disable this one. And here let's enter the label, I don't know, let's enter work set, and from now on, as you have set up your alarm clock, you'll go for this check mark on the top right corner to apply settings, and now we have this alarm right here. And additionally, you can turn it off and turn it on depending on like what you want to do, like just like this. That's how you can do this.